What's up, y'all? Water bottle scared me. It's a water bottle underneath this bridge over here. Water bottle scared me. Welcome to WAEofFishing. This is the second trip this spring. I'm going fishing for smallmouth, hopefully, or smallmouth, and whatever else is biting. I've never fished for smallmouth this early in the year. I'm here with Reggie, the skunk guide extraordinaire. Now, you've seen fish, but you haven't caught any yet, right?
Not smallmouth, only spot and largemouth.
Y'all can see the boat is above me by several feet. I've got a couple more feet to get down into the water, and let's go. I did bring a scale this time.
Sorry.
My new scale actually records air temperature as well. And somehow when I turned it on, it flashed a Bluetooth icon. I have to figure out how to use my scale. Day 2, spring 2022. Boat's done. I moved into the house. I ain't messing around with y'all this time. Let's go. This is what you do to catch those smallmouth, baby. Hey, I was about to say, I hear voices.
I'm getting ready to go do some fishing.
Fishing, yes. Catching, I have no idea.
I was really hoping they were going to be in that deep hole that we found.
Oh, bite. Got a bite.
Did it see anything?
Oh my gosh.
Did you get a follow too?
No, he had it. But I was paddling, letting the Ned rig sit. The Ned crawl was sitting on the bottom. Oh, I see him. There's 3 or 4 fish right here. Eat it.
Catch it.
What? Oh, shoot. Why didn't you tell me I was going in the tree?
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I was fishing this right up here.
Dude, I saw at least 3. One appeared to be about 12 inches long. Oh my God! I think they're grabbing the claws.
Got commitment issues.
Ugh. Rattlesnake territory. While I'm over here climbing up this bank, video number 3, I'm wearing the shirt. Okay, this is the 3rd time. I got one more, and I ain't wearing it no more. So I'm gonna go try to catch a fish. That's what I'm gonna go do. One more time in this shirt. Ha ha to all you haters. My favorite YouTuber is gonna roast me again. It's like his favorite thing to do this spring, because he ain't fishing. He's just trying to roast me. The wind tried to take my hat off a second ago.
What?
Almost lost my hat. Man, I got this expensive cheese on here.
Is it American cheese?
That's not cheese.
Terrell hates American cheese and mayonnaise. And we brag on him so bad. Like, man, I could really go for some tuna fish with half a pound of mayonnaise on it. I don't do that much.
You know I'm on Terrell's side with all of this, right?
Oh yeah, I remember when you were like, no mayo?
Miracle Whip. What's those pods for? Rod tips?
What's for what for?
The little pods.
Oh yeah. And then you would use this to secure it down. So now when I'm running rapids or anything, it's always inside the boat. So if I'm bouncing around anything, it's not going to hit that. Is bass a color?
Yep. First fish. Fish. Oh my gosh. Woo! Skunk out. River skunk out of the boat. Largemouth. It's so weird how we catch largemouth on days where we should be catching smallmouth. On the Ned. Ned for the win. Ned saved the day. Goodbye, fish. Okay. Whew. The pressure that relieved off of me. Oh, oh, oh. It's a fish right there. He ignored the bait. 12 to 15 inches. He's headed upriver. He's right there. I feel like this is somewhere that'll have a fish, but I cannot for the life of me slow this kayak down right now. Up there I couldn't, right there I couldn't. I just can't. I mean, I feel like I'm smoking. I'd be fine if I could throw a chatterbait or spinnerbait or whopper plop. Yo, there's a school of bass underneath me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Catch one.
That's not even a bass, it's a fall fish. Screw you, trolling.
All the reminders today.
Yo, but it's a school of bass over here. Cast off the right side of it, like there. 6 of them. That's for you, trolling. Oh, he just pooped all over me.
On the net.
Dude, there's a ton of fish right here, and they're not near anything. Oh, I see him. Once the wind stopped, I see him. I'm about to go right over top of them. They are not moving. They don't care about the bait.
You're right over top of them?
Yeah, he's right there. Right, drop it, drop it, drop it.
Yep, it's dropping.
You're on a rock that's right in front of him. You killed Kenny. We have not caught any fish, and I swear the wind is getting worse. Like it is almost not fishable right now. Oh, he was spitting. Come on! Great. I was over there. I'm about to hit something. Sandbar.
Just wash the machine and leave.
Did you see that?
Yep.
They just won't eat the whole thing. Even if I let them have it, they spit it. I had let him just sit there and eat on it. I finally caught a river piranha today. I saw him chase the Ned, and then I just left it in the water and let him just shake it and bite it and shake it. What are these, pumpkin seeds? Something. They're crazy aggressive, and they will try to hit anything, even a big old topwater bait. There's 2 in a row on the Ned. All right, I'm brim fishing. Brim. that? What that?
Smell? Smell? Crawfish.
Yep.
New nickname. Crawfish King.
No.
I mean, you catch them every time.
You still have that title though. Look, man. Today, if it bites, I'm good. I don't care. Look at it. It's like my fourth or fifth one.